Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will see some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. I always try to bring some new and innovative ideas. All ideas are unique and new. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most. And also let me know from which country you are watching my channel. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Till then, bye bye.